this tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create gradient colors. Yeah, gradient colors. That's the first thing you should be looking at. And secondly, I'm going to show you how to blend images to backgrounds. So those are the two things we shall be looking at in this tutorial. Now, you will be wondering what a gradient is. Yeah, what a gradient is. When we talk about gradient, in a normal sense, when you hear the word gradient, you must know that it speaks of intensity. Yeah, of maybe something of a higher intensity and also having a lower intensity. So color gradient, we are talking about colors having a higher intensity at a particular region and a lower intensity at another region. It can also be known as color progression. That means the color gradually fades as it progresses. So color gradient specifies, a range of colors that usually fill a region. Now, all this big grammar I'm saying here, that is not what matters. What matters is for you to grab, understand, and know the concept very well. So I'll be bringing in my shape. Yeah, let me bring in my shape. Looking at this shape, you will see that the color of this shape is white, right? And the intensity is uniform all over this element. In graphic designing, we call this an element. Yeah, you see the color is uniform. But color gradient states that one region will have a higher color intensity than the other region. Now, I want to show you an example of a color gradient. So I will edit this. So if you look here, you see the edit tool, you click on this. Okay, here you can edit this shape. So I will go to color, fill color. You will see here we have two options. Up we have color and down we have gradient. So I'll click on gradient. Yeah, I'll click on gradient. If I want to give this a gradient color, I will just choose any of these colors. Yeah, you see that the intensity of this color is not uniformly distributed. One area is thick while the other one is lighter. So that is the purpose of this tutorial, is to show you how to achieve this. First of all, I know you don't have all these ones. What you have is maybe this black and white here. So these are the default colors, the default color gradient. So I will click on it. Now I want to create a color gradient of the color green. So I'll click on this black and white. Then if you look right of your screen, you will see a plus sign there. Click on that plus sign. Now we'll land you to this page. Here we have two bars. This is the first bar and this is the second bar. Now my objective or my aim is to create a gradient color of the color green. So below this bar, this one, directly below it, we see a color tool there, a color tool. So I'll click on that color tool. Now this color wheel will display. This color wheel, a color wheel is, just an object containing many colors. Yeah, so I can just go through it. If I want blue, I will, put the picker on blue. If I want purple, I'll put the picker on purple, red, and so on and so forth. But I want green, so I will wheel through to the color green. Yeah, wheel through to this color green. So if you look very well at these other bars, these are also some color bars here. Yeah, I have increased them to the maximum level. So I want this color to be thick. This is light green. I want it to become thicker. What I will do, the one at the middle, I will regulate it to my left towards the black region. Yeah, so this is thick green. I'll click on OK. I'm done with that one. I will come to this second bar, right? I want this second bar to carry the lighter portion. I will click on it. I'll click this color dropper tool here. This color dropper tool. I'll click on it. Then I take the same green, the one I took first. But you see, it is in the black region, right? So I will increase it to my right. to fill up this space here. So now it has given me lighter green. I'll click OK. So you see that the color now is not uniformly distributed. Let me click OK so that you see it well. Oops, sorry. Let me just go back. Okay, so this is what we have realized. We have been able to realize. Yeah, this is a color grading. This is a color grading. That's how you can create color grading in Pixellab. So you can enlarge this to fill the surface of the screen. Now I want to place this at the middle. See that it's not uniformly placed. So I will come to my relative position tool. The one in the middle, the upper one at the middle, I'll click on it. While the lower one, same in the middle, I'll click on it. Now it has occupied, the portion of the screen, the entire portion of the screen. So that is that for that. Secondly, I'm going to show you how you can blend images with backgrounds. So I will just cancel it. I will just to delete this. I don't need this anymore. Yeah. So now let me put in a background. I'll go to the background tool, select a color. I'll not take a gradient color. I'll take a different color. Let me say red. Yeah, let me take a red color. Now I want to I'll import an image, then I'll blend that image to that background. So I'll click on this plus sign here to import an image for my gallery. So this is the image I'll be using. Okay, I will enlarge the image. Now, if you look at this image very well, if you look at the bottom of this image, too sharp, right? It doesn't blend with that background. But I want something that will easily match with that background. So now I'll come again to this my shape tool. I will choose on shape. Now I will scroll through the fill color tool. I will click on gradient. Okay. So what you are seeing here is the background has a red color that I'll be choosing here. So I will go back to this default gradient color, this one. So I will click on this plus sign. This white one, yeah, I will click on this color tool beneath it. Now, looking at this below the color wheel, we have 3 bars, right? This one, this, and this. Yeah, the first two is to, edit the colors, change the colors per se. While the last one is to give it a transparent color. Yeah, in other words, is to remove the color. So I'll be removing the color. At first it was white. So I'll be giving it a transparent color. I'll click OK. Now it has a transparent color. That white color that was initially here has been removed. It has been changed to a transparent color. Now this black bar, this other bar here, I will increase it towards the transparent color. Now we click OK. So this is what it has resulted to. Now I will click OK again and go to the color tool, this color tool. I enable the color tool and I take the same red, the one which is at the background. So this is what I've gotten. What I will do now is just to rotate this one. Then now place it beneath the image. And if possible, you can enlarge it. You can just shift, enlarge it to the left and place here. So you see that the image has easily blended with the background. You can no more see that sharp edge again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If there's anything you did not understand, you can just repeat the video so that you can grab the concept well. See you in the next tutorial.